The Vice President, Cญี0UT, said that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has never influenced electoral process. Moving on, we have Atiku calls for political resolution for Nnamdi Kalu's detention and other issues. But guys, before we comment fully, welcome back to Reality the TİR3, your home of news and politics. Thank you so much for joining us on today's news. If today is your first time of watching, kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, and also turn notification bell to get notified whenever we drop a video. To all amazing subscribers, thank you so much for joining us. So guys, let's proceed with the news. The Vice President, Cญี0UT, on Thursday in Ilorin said that the present administration led by President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has never influenced the electoral process. While speaking during the 30th anniversary of Prof. Yusuf Ali's, he explained why President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has decided to steer clear of the electoral process. He said that this was because of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's belief in political freedom, fair play, and justice. That President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has never influenced the electoral process, and they are the presidency that he has never used instruments of office to hurt unperceived opponents. Cญี0UT said that democracy can only survive by adherence to the rule of law and quality of governance, not necessarily by system of government. Also, the guest speaker of the occasion, Mr. Babatunde Fashola, noted that the call in some quarters for the reintroduction of parliamentary system of government might be wrong. Fashola, the former Minister of Works and Housing, advised those calling for reintroduction to deeply think that they should reflect on whether the reason which caused the collapse in the First Republic had been sorted out or not. He submitted that only quality governance would shape the society, not the system of government. That Nigeria once practiced this parliamentary system, but it failed, and it led the country into unwarranted disaster. So let them think deeply on why the parliamentary system failed them and ask themselves if they have overcome those reasons. Fashola suggested liberal democracy. He said that will ensure better, and it will also improve livelihood of Nigerians instead of calling for a change of system of government. Fashola commended the celebrant Yusuf Ali, who is the senior advocate of Nigeria, for his robust contribution to the Nigerian legal system. Earlier, the founder of Gileb Chamber, Ali, thanked God for all he has achieved, saying that his heart is full of gratitude, humility, and deepest appreciation to Almighty Allah, who is the creator and divine architect. He said as he reflects on the journey that he was reminded of the countless times Allah has intervened, Allah have guided him and blessed him even when all hope seems lost. And he thanked his parents as well, teachers and clients, that those who shared their wisdom and expertise with him, regardless of the setting or circumstances, his siblings, children, his late wife. Many dignitaries graced the occasion, including the Chief Justice of Nigeria, Justice Cญี0UT. The list of dignitaries in attendance also had the Emir of Ilorin, Alhaji Ibrahim Sulu, and the founder of Al-Hikam University, Ilorin. The Gileb Chamber compiled a compendium of over 450 pages, and that was launched by the Vice President, Cญี0UT, as part of the anniversary and contribution to the legal and general community. My people, not be small matter. So Cญี0UT, they tell us, say, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has never influenced any electoral process. Hey, my people, I say win this presidency if at all you influence any electoral process. My people, you don't enter, be say you don't enter. He should do the needful. Save the people from hunger, because ever since he emerged as the president of Nigeria, people they suffer. He starts from where Buhari stop, and he won't come worse past Buhari. So guys, I would like to know your thoughts. Your contributions, opinions are in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Let's make it live in our comment section. Moving on to the next one. Former Vice President Atiku has suggested a political approach to resolve the case between the federal government and the detained leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu. Atiku, the presidential candidate of the PDP in the last general election, maintained that the release of the IPOP leader from detention would reduce security challenges in the Southeast region. The former vice president stated this in a statement on Friday issued to condemn the killings of soldiers in Aba, Abia State. At least 4 soldiers were killed on Thursday when government attacked them in Aba, the commercial hub of the state. It was gathered that the hoodlums, numbering about 15, attacked soldiers at about 8 o'clock a.m. at a military checkpoint in Obikabia Junction in the commercial city. The government were said to be enforcing a sit-at-home order declared by the IPOB across the southeast to mark Biafra Day, which is celebrated annually in the region. So Atiku Abubakar in his statement condemned the attack on Nigerian military personnel. He urged relevant security agencies to track and prosecute the perpetrators. The violence that led to the killing of soldiers and civilians in Abia State on Thursday stand condemned. His thoughts and prayer are with the family and friends of those who may have lost their loved ones. He said, may their soul rest in peace. But even more profound is the impact of yesterday's sit-at-home in the South region of our country on students writing WAEC examination. The veil of the so-called unknown government hiding under cover to unleash deaths and mayhem must be lifted to ensure that criminal elements are separated from legitimate agitators. To end this without prejudice to the ongoing legal processes, Atiku Abubakar said that he thought that the time has come to explore a political resolution to Nnamdi Kanu and other associated issues. He said he believed that this will diffuse the compressor cooker situation in the region. It will be a win-win for all parties because many people are hiding under the disguise of sit-at-home, killing people. So Atiku they call on the federal government may they release Nnamdi Kanu because his continuous detention is causing more harm in the southeast. Terrorists, banditry, kidnappers, they are hiding under the disguise of IPOB and they are the one inflating the sit-at-home. Nnamdi Kanu have already said it that he doesn't have hand in that sit-at-home. He doesn't have hand in the killings of the military in the southeast. So they should release Nnamdi Kanu. Atiku have said that is the best. The more they are detaining Nnamdi Kanu, the more the insecurity in the southeast will keep expanding. The southeast is no longer safe for the youth. Most of the dignitaries in Igbo land have tried to intervene in Nnamdi Kanu case, but they've noticed that Nnamdi Kanu's case is beyond them. It's a political issue now because they didn't see any reason why they are detaining him. They are the one in the southeast. They know what they are seeing. The insecurity is unbearable. We've called on the federal government to release Nnamdi Kanu, but to no avail. Now Atiku is saying the same thing. Let's see if federal government will adhere to what Atiku have said. So guys, I would like to know your thoughts. Your contributions, opinions are in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. But if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube page yet, please do us a favor to like and subscribe and also share. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we drop our video. Because I'm sure you don't want to miss out the trend and latest news happening on social media. To all our amazing subscribers, thank you so much for joining us on today's news. To all our viewers, thank you so much for staying to us. We really do appreciate. On this note, we have come to the end of today's segment. Till I come your way next. Stay safe, guys. Bye.